Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. This video is going to be a little different for me because in this video I'm going to show you 5 different types of jewelries which you can use to style yourself up for this Janmashtami. Everything I'm going to show you today in this video is below rupees 550, so this is very affordable yet stylish. And if you like watching my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button to encourage me more to create such contents. So let's go and jump into the video. Okay, so the first comes this golden choker neck piece. This looks a bit traditional and gives a royal kinder vibe. Since it's golden, it will go with outfits of any color, so it will sit on your neck like this. The golden charms hanging from it makes it look super gorgeous, and I got this one from Amazon.in. It comes with this kind of earrings. You can pair it up with this as well as with any big round golden tops that matches with the neck piece, so it's a good option. Let's move on to the next one, which is this one. It's also in golden but not as traditional as the last one. The pearl detailing in it makes it look super classy. It's also super lightweight, and this comes with a big jhumka like this, which is my absolute favorite. Though it looks big, but trust me, this is super lightweight, so anybody can carry it comfortably. This one is also from Amazon and a beautiful choice for any kind of Indian festival, and as I said, everything in this video today is bought under rupees 550. The third one is this one from Nykaa, and as far as I remember, it was around 500 to 550 at least when I got it. The white beaded straps makes it look subtle yet glam. It has got white and emerald green stones embedded in it. It comes with these tiny gorgeous tops. Though I find it super gorgeous, I also think this is a little too tiny for me, so you can also pair it up with similar bigger earrings. So this neck piece can be paired with both bright colored outfits as well as subtle light colored outfits. This is no doubt a classy choice and you can never go wrong with this one. The fourth one is this deep pink and green choker kinder neck piece. It also has this beaded detailing which makes it look super classy. I got this one from Amazon. It was like super cheap, somewhere between 350 to 400, but I just couldn't refrain myself from buying this. Just look at this beauty. It also comes with this beautiful pair of unique earrings which is neither too big nor too small. This is just perfect in every way. It is super lightweight. I would suggest you to wear something subtle or light colored outfits with this necklace so that you don't look overdressed, and this piece can have all the attention. This is the final one and the most gorgeous one till now. It has got stones embedded in it, as you can see. You can also wear it inside out. It has got this meenakari design on the other side, so it is 2-in-1. And also those multicolored beaded works has made this one super unique and beautiful to look at. I got this one from a Facebook seller, and you won't believe this one was below 500. Isn't it gorgeous? It comes with this kind of long earrings with single bead, which is not too heavy to carry. I was so obsessed with this one. I got the same neck piece in 3 different colors at one shot. Also avoid multicolored clothing for this one. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to make more such videos. I will try to link down the first 4 jewelries in the description box. You will also find my Instagram ID there, so please don't forget to go and follow me over there. See you again in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.